Hello, you're watching Forex TV. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. Here's a combined review of the currency and stock markets for the last week. As for the currency market, on Friday, the American dollar closed with a slight decline, as the dynamics was influenced by the released report showing that the unemployment rate in the United States fell unexpectedly below 8%, and that more jobs than stated earlier were created in the economy of the country. The statistics supported the stock indices, but declined the dollar as the investors were buying the shares, the rate of which is considered as directly dependent on the economic growth. At the same time, it should be noted that the shares' up move together with the US dollar rivalry's advance was short. Thus, the US dollar index ICE declined to 79.35 pips from 79.376 pips on Thursday. Weekly, the index lost 0.7%. On Friday, the euro was worth $1.30.31, having increased from $1.30.01 before the statistics release and after the Thursday mark of $1.30.15. The euro added 1.3% weekly. The currency trade was volatile when the Labor Department reported about the creation of 114,000 new jobs in September in the USA. The unemployment rate decreased to 7.8%. In addition, the stock market continued the rally amid hopes of that Spain will turn to its neighbors for help. However, the authorities of Spain insist on the absence of such intention. Aside from that, the American dollar weakened against its Canadian counterpart when the Statistical Bureau of Canada informed about a strong employment growth in September. Thus, the greenback slid 0.2% to 97.92 Canadian cents. Right after the report release, the greenback lost 1%. The economy of Canada added 52,000 new jobs, while the experts predicted mere 10,000. This is all about the dynamics of the currency market. As for the American equities market, the mixed movement was observed on Friday. The factors that influenced on such dynamics were the optimism amid decline of the unemployment rate in the USA replaced the nervosity concerning the start of the reporting season. The season of corporate reports for the third quarter was opened by a large U.S. corporation producing aluminum, Alcoa. The results were published on Tuesday. Then will be the turn of JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, which will report about the result of its work on Friday. At the last week's close, the shares of Alcoa gained 0.22% and closed at $9.09 per unit. Moreover, the shares of Zynga lost 12% on Friday, while the developer of online games downgraded forecasts for 2012. In the second quarter, the company was also lower in the initial assessment of growth. The reason for a slowdown is the insufficient degree of using the games Farmville and The Wheel, which was caused by technical changes held by Facebook. This is all I have for now. You're watching the weekly analysis of Forex and stock markets presented for you by Forex TV team. Goodbye.